Check out this car. I don't know what you call it. Video of a bike car mode. I don't know what you call this. Pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's mine.
Oh wow, that's nice, man.
Have you seen it before? Or?
No, I've never seen that before.
It's similar to a slingshot. That slingshot's also a three-wheeled motorcycle. So it's a motorcycle.
Oh.
Yeah.
But
It's got a car motor in it though.
yeah, I was looking at the
Yeah, it's got a Chevy Cruze turbocharged motor.
Alright. Looks fun.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And I just took the windshield off. I have a smaller one coming. It's only,
Titan.
it's only this big.
So your eyes are just like.
Yeah. The other one was like this big.
Right.
So like, and I was like, well, after a while I got tired. Anyway, yeah. So it's a lot of fun to drive. I don't regret getting it. I've had it for about 6 months.
Right. Yeah.
And yeah, it's even more fun without the windshield in it.
Really.
Yeah.
Was it tinted or?
No, it was just. It was. I like the wind hitting me, and so the windshield. I was always trying to get above the windshield, and so finally I just took it off.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. The first time I saw one of these was in fear. I saw someone drive by. I was like, "What the hell is that?" So I went home and looked it up. I just looked up reverse trike, three-wheeled cars or bicycle, motorcycles.
Right.
And finally, I ended up finding it.
It's Vanderhall.
Vanderhall, handmade in Utah.
Wow.
Yeah, you don't think of Utah as a car making, bike making place, but it's made in Utah. Yeah, it costs $30,000. They have a lower model that's $25,000, and then they have like a model that's $34,000, and then one that's $40,000. So this was about the most bang for your buck that you could get. This one has heated seats, a heater, cruise control. So I went ahead and those things are yeah.
I like the interior, man.
Thank you.
The way it looks.
Yeah, it's a trip. Huh? It looks like an old car, huh?
Yeah, that caught my eye.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's different. I get a lot of people like asking me what is it, or they think it's from like France or something like that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Vanderhall.
that's what you would think.
Right. Yeah, it's different. I got this one. I don't normally buy it. I would get a deal and get something used, but I got it new because the cab is 4 inches wider than last year's model. And I'm like, ah, crap. That kind of sells me like it's already super small. You know, if you and I went for a ride, we'd be in. It's like, hey, it's kind of fun, isn't it? But it's like with 2 guys. It's like, you know, it's. But it's even cramped with me and my wife. But you know, we have fun. But yeah, having 4 inches less. They have Jay Leno's garage. He's driving one of the last years. He's like, isn't this great? And the 2 guys, they're both kind of like, yeah, this is really interesting. It's like, yeah, that doesn't look very comfortable. So,
wow.
And there's no, the $40,000 one comes with a top. So it comes with a larger window, a big window. These come up further, and then there's a top, and there's actually doors that open sideways, but there are no windows, and it still has no air conditioning.
Oh.
So I thought, why
Is it
not
a hard
just
top,
deal
or
with,
is it a hard
it's a
top?
hard top,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
that comes off. But I thought, for 10 grand, I think I'm gonna save that. And
Yeah.
when
You
it's
could
hot,
probably get like a what is it, like
like a rag top.
Right.
Yeah,
You can
yeah,
have something made.
yeah. I could probably wait another year, and there might be one that comes out for this model. But I was like, okay, it's Vegas, and I won't have a top, but what the hell? Let's you know, see. And I've driven it in some of the more extreme conditions, and it was fine.
Yeah.
I mean, it wasn't fine. It was extreme, but I still had fun. Okay, it wasn't
Smiling
fine.
while you're doing it.
Yes. It was hotter than hell. When I got home, I'm like, oh God, that was fun, but thank God I'm done with that ride. Yeah. So it's kind of a torture, but exciting kind of. Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll kill myself on a two-wheel motorcycle.
Yeah.
There's no way I'm getting in one of those. I just know I'm not going to be able to handle it. I'm going to crash. So this though, I can't tip over on this. So.
No.
Where are you guys from?
California.
Okay. Right on. Just out here visiting?
Yeah.
Right
Yeah,
on.
we're just taking a few days out.
Uh-huh.
And
Yeah.
then we're gonna go to the skywalk. And
Oh,
stuff
nice.
Like that tomorrow.
Oh, good. That's very cool. Dude, don't forget to stop along and go across the bridge, right?
Oh yes.
If
Yeah.
they let you. I should be unquarantined now and
Yeah.
so. Have you ever done that?
No.
Just, I don't know if it's. I've never done the skywalk. The bridge is intense.
Right.
Okay,
Yeah.
so-
I have a lot of fear of heights. So
Yeah.
We'll see,
So
we'll
see,
see.
I do too. That makes it even more fun because I looked out and I'm like, oh my God, oh my God. I
So a
can't.
walking bridge, or?
Yeah. Well, so the bridge, you know, it's it's the tallest bridge in the world. You know, it has 4 lanes of traffic, two, you know, both ways. But on one side of it, there's about half the size of that parking spot,
Right.
and people walk on it.
Oh wow.
And you can look down, and it goes all the way out to the, I think the end or close to it.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's neat. If you haven't seen it, if you've never done it before,
Right.
even if
we'll
you
do it.
walk
We'll
just
check it
like
out.
10% out and are able to look down and be like, all right, that's really cool. Yeah, that's good. I did it. I get credit for it.
Yeah.
Move on. It'll be worth it. So yeah, when you're going out to the dam, you just gotta take that turn where you're like you're going to Hoover Dam, but then it'll take you to the parking lot where you can get out and walk.
Oh, okay.
I do it every couple years. It's like doing it for the first time. It's fun. All right, guys.
All right.
And what is your name? Do you mind if I videotape just you, just
No.
real quick, and kind of just
Not at all.
what year is it? When
Okay.
the make is?
Yes,
Just
nice
real
meeting
quick.
you.
Okay, nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
Hi,
Just a-
Paul.
Okay.
And this is my motorcycle. It's called a Vanderhall, and it's built in Utah. And it has a Chevy Cruze turbocharged motor, 194 horsepower, and it goes 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. Right now the window is not on it because I took it off because I have a very small, it's called from a Speedster, it's going to go on it. And yeah, I mean, this is a custom item right here. Some of the dash stuff is custom that I've done on it. And other than that, I've had it for about 6 months. That's it.
Awesome. Well, thank
Thank you
you.
very much.
Awesome,
Peace.
right?
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
All right.
That looks like fun tonight.
Yes, it is. All right.
Take care.
All right,
See you.
too. Enjoy,
Yeah.
enjoy your time.
Thank you. Oh, you see the license plate? Raider.
Raider, hey.
Awesome.